What is Hudur's opinion in what some Arabs are doing in the Middle East? In Saudi Arabia, they sometimes write the Quran in gold, and recently Saddam Husain has just completed writing the Quran out of his blood. So, is there a point they have in this?
I'd like to know Hudur's views about what's happening in the Middle East. He says in Saudi Arabia they have written the whole Holy Quran with gold, and recently he heard that in Iraq the Quran was written with the blood of Saddam Husain. So he wants to know Hudur's opinion.
I think this question was asked only recently by someone.
Yes, about 4 days ago. Yeah.
Who did it?
Rajab Ali Sahib in French classes.
As far as the writing of the Quran with gold is concerned, this is an insult to the Holy Prophet's saying that you should, no, I'm sorry, that they can say that we are not wearing it, but this is a proof of what Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had predicted would happen in the latter days. He said at that time, in the latter days, as we are passing through, this age is called the latter days. Ulama will be the worst. The masajid will apparently be full, but they will be empty of hadaya. And in the beginning it says that the Holy Quran will be left only for writing and nothing else. The meaning of the Quran will not run into the blood of Muslims. They will only have decorated writing and this and that, just apparently superficial service to Islam or to the Quran. And as far as the message of Quran is concerned, to that a verse of the Holy Quran is referred, that Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will complain to God that inna qawmi ittakhadhu hadha al-Qur'ana mahjura. Here's the book, and my own ummah, my own qawm has deserted it, and as if it does not exist. So these two things are connected together. The Quran will be left only for writing, and for the meaning of the Quran they will not pay any attention, and they will be incapable to understand this. That is as far as the written with gold is concerned. But as far as the Quran having been written in Gaddafi blood, Saddam Husain's blood, that's, I think, one of the greatest insults. With his filthy blood to write the Quran is unimaginable. Is whatever other faults he has, but this is the greatest fault which has now emerged, that he is mad. Saddam Hussein is definitely mad, who thinks that by writing the Quran with his own blood will do any service to the cause of Islam. Right? حدیث جو ہے یا لا یاتی حیاتی الناس
لم يبقى من القرآن إلا اسمه. Yes, Hazur, I have got it. It's from Mishkat Kitabul Ilm. An Ali radiyallahu anhu qala qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam yushiku an yatiya ala an-nasi zamanun la yabqa min al-islami illa ismuhu wa la yabqa min al-Qur'ani illa rasmuhu masajiduhum amiratun wa hiya kharabun min al-huda علماؤہم شر من تحت عظیم السماء من عندہم تخرج الفتنۃ وفیہم تعود.
Now this is exactly what's happening in this world, unfortunately. They talk loudly of Islam, will do this service to Islam and that service to Islam, but only name. They don't know what Islam is. They don't know that Islam means submission, and they don't know that Islam was introduced to the world by Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam under Wahi, and his conduct was Islam. So they don't know. They make new definitions of Islam. The definitions unheard of by Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam himself. Amazingly, they have added to this definition that anyone who believes that Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Nawaz is a liar and a forger, he will be Muslim. Did Rasulullah Sallam do that? They said he didn't know, all right. But he knew Musalma Kazzab and many false prophets of his time who came and met him. And he did not add it to the definition, oh, now I know that this definition should also be added, that who says kalama is a Muslim, provided he says that Musalma Kazzab is a Kazzab. Do you find any hadith mention this? So these people, these mullahs are mad, unfortunately. Nothing can be done for them.